So the Victory Series rock lights are a very customizable series. So the installation is going to come with two different options for the rubber mounting. One with a curved edge that you can use for piping or any sort of cylindrical base, and a flat edge. So you can choose to put it on somewhere flat or a sturdy flat surface. Either way, you're going to have multiple ways to feed the wire through. So you can place it through like this, have it come out this way, or you can have it come through down here. All depends on your own customization and what you would like to do. So we're going to show you how to do just one really quickly. You can either use these screws and have a nut on the other side, or just have a sort of self-driving screw that will go right into plastic or any type of surface.